tea party. I see you. You better get your butt over here. Get it over here now! Now! Yes, weird man. Get it over here! Get it over here now! 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 Faster! Pick up the pace, woman! Now! Get over here! Yes? I'll slap you in the face! Slap, 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 slap! Yeah! Slap you in the face! Everyone gather around! I'm about to make a really funny joke. Why did the chicken cross the road? To get to your house. Not done, don't laugh. I'm not done. Knock, knock. You say who's there? Who's there? The chicken. Chicken who? The chicken who crossed the road. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Why aren't you guys laughing? Should I just come over there and slap your silly butts in the face? Yeah. I slap all you in the face. Even if your face too pretty to be slapped, and I still slap it. They didn't like my joke, but I didn't like them. Who else wanna get slapped in the face? Who think I'm playing? Anyways, I don't like playing. I like pooping. Whoopsies. You don't wanna get slapped in the face, cameraman. I'm gonna slap you in the face. You didn't laugh at my joke. Yeah. Oh, look. It's an iPhone. Look, it's a bird. Stop it! I didn't do anything. Ow! Knock it off! Knock it off! I see you. But it's not Friday. Friday was yesterday. Today's Saturday. What? I can't believe it. My own calendar lied to me. But it's not even Saturday. It's Wednesday. Just slap all you stupid people in the face. So because you're so stupid. Today is Monday. I'm gonna slap all you stupid people in the face because you make no sense. You get it. Today's not Monday. I don't believe my eyes. You mean your ears? Anyways, I don't believe it's a Monday neither. Prove it. Oh, I'm gonna prove it alright. I'm gonna prove it. Slapping people in the face is good for your health. You don't want to get slapped in the face by me. Pimp slap you. Did it hurt? I knew it did. I hurt really a lot. Peace. I slap you in the face if you don't say peace back. Say it. Say it. Goodbye. I don't have any more things to say to you because you is really mean. Goodbye. I don't ever want to see you again. I'm gonna just jump off this cliff because that's how cool I am. I'm so cool. I'm prepared for anything. Even that.